Hi everyone, welcome to Fluid Art by Christine. How you guys doing? So round 2 for me tonight. I'm going to split the videos up so you guys have something more to watch throughout the week. And this is going to be another 12 by 12. I'm really liking this size. It's perfect. It's just, I don't know, it's just 1 cup and you're done, and you know, it's really great. So the hardest thing about it is picking your colors, right? Color combos. So I'm gonna get down and show you guys the color combo, what I got set up for today, and I'm gonna be using a little bit of gold in the mix today. So hopefully that doesn't sink and it comes out, but we shall see. Okay, see you guys at the end. Okay, here we go. So we got the Phthalo Cyan Blue by Basics, the Basics Gold, love this gold. Blix Quinacridone Magenta, that's a mouthful, right? Turquoise by Artist Loft. This felt thin. I had to use a little bit more paint to get it to the other paint's consistency. Sometimes Artist Loft can be a little bit thin. But anyway, the Basics Cadmium Yellow Light Hue and the Basics Aqua Green. And that's the colors for today. Everything already has silicone in it, and we'll be right back. Okay, here we go. So I know I said 5 colors, but I just didn't want to throw away. I've got the teeniest bit of this aqua green and the teeniest bit of this yellow, and I didn't want to throw it out, so taking a little risk. Where's my white? Okay, here we go. Good amount of white on the bottom. This is a 16-ounce wide rim cup. Love these things. And starting with my darkest color, I tend to do that. Start with my darkest color. Good layer of that. And I may put gold in throughout the layers a little bit more frequently because it does tend to disappear on me. And I did put 2 drops of silicone in that gold along with everything else. And going bold with turquoise. There's a little bit of yellow. I don't like throwing it out. Really digging that bright yellow lately. It's kind of odd for me. I used to always use the deep yellow, but for some reason I'm just really attracted to the bright color. Maybe because it's summertime right now. Okay, that's officially gone. Okay, now I'm going to put some gold right here too. And also some pink here. And I'm going to put this blue next to the pink, which may create a little purple, but I'm totally good with that. And you know what else I'm going to do? I'm going to do gold again. Come on, I made a big cup. I'm like, I want to see some gold in this. What do I got left? Turquoise. And pink. Quinacridone Magenta. Good layer of that. And guess what? Some more gold. This gold's really thick. I did add water to it, but I don't know. It'll be okay. Okay. I'm gonna flip this cup, let it start coming down. Now I filled it a little bit higher than my last one, so I may not have to wet the canvas around it, but we'll see how that goes. Yeah, lots of gold in those layers, so I should see some of that gold come out. Making some room so the tilt So I got a new torch. I know you guys saw on the last one that it wasn't, I didn't buy butane, so I thought I had some and it doesn't seem to want to be filling it up. But I'm going to try it again. But I got the Mac Daddy here if I need it. Never fails. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to do a little twist with this. Something different. What do you guys think? Should I wreck it? That looks pretty cool. Maybe I shouldn't. Still want to though. I see some gold cells coming up. I don't know, that smoky looks really cool, so I'm not gonna wreck it. I'm just gonna go without it because that came out really neat. Cells are popping up and I haven't even hit it with torch, so. Let me see if the other torch is gonna work for me too. Waiting for it to open. See some pretty yellow cells popped up right there. Okay, here we go. Time for fun. Time to tilt. I'm gonna lose a lot of my gold cells. Darn it. Bring the paint back to the center before you start going for your last corner, because that's the least amount of paint you're gonna have on your last corner. Okay, here we go. I'll lose those pretty blue cells. Okay, here it is, everybody. Pretty cool. I'm really digging how this edge right here, it starts and goes yellow to green and then into blue. And then that spot looks pretty neat. And then up here, it's blue to dark blue and a little bit of purple with pink and gold. Neat. That one came out really nice. Got a little bit of gold popped out. Surprise, I put a lot of gold in there, right, you guys? Well, thanks for joining me, everyone. That was fun. I really like this one. It's very kind of galaxy looking to me with a smoky background, and I do love smoky background and not too many cells. So this one came out really nice. Thanks for joining me, you guys. Like my video if you do, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I can't wait to paint again next time. See you. Bye.